see if I can drink it.
It's vlogging time!
Good morning! Another new day. We are starting off our adventure with a little hike. We're here at what? what?
무릉계곡.
무릉계곡.
Yeah.
This is the heavenly valley. We're gonna go see a waterfall. Hopefully this hike is not too hard. I'm pretty sure it's not too bad. Let's see if we can get to the waterfall and enjoy ourselves. Let's go. Now that's where I want to swim. I just want to sit in there and bathe. Whoa! Let's go down to the people and see the view from over there. Twin Falls. This is it. All the water of Gyeongju flows right through here. That's what you drink. I really want to jump off the cliffs. Oh man. If this is America or Hawaii, people would be in here swimming, jumping off, having fun. Another waterfall. At the top of the Twin Falls, there's this one.
This cut is fresh.
Okay, we're done with the hike. I'm a little tired, but it was not that bad. I highly recommend it, especially on the holidays because it's free. Okay, now we're going to go to our next adventure. I don't know where it is.
8 hours later.
Okay, we finally arrived to our pension. This is a Korean pension. Check it out. We're on the second floor here at this pension. It's quite colorful. The one bad thing, like, check this out. Look at that. We got a spa, and you would think that's a good thing, right? It's not. We have to pay man 10,000 won or $10 an hour to use that, and we have to let them know in advance, and it's too late to even use it today. Apparently there's time limits to using our own spa and our own pension. Let's look outside here. Okay, this is our view. What pool? Oh, over there. Wow, color pool and some entertainment over there. Holiday, hey, please don't get me copyright. Okay, this is also another access to our spa. But yeah, man 10,000 for an hour. That's kind of ridiculous. And look how thin the walls are next to for our neighbors. It's like a piece of plastic for our neighbors. Okay, and this is very inconvenient. Like how do I walk like through here? I have to climb.
I think it was made to like go through the.
Walk that way?
Yeah.
Okay, well, still a little inconvenient. Okay, that's our pension. Let's go. We have to go find something to eat because we didn't even eat this whole time. Hopefully we can get something good. Alright, it's been an hour later. We are waiting in line at this restaurant and it just takes forever because there's so many people here. But now we're sitting down and we got our food. Check it out. Here it is. Got some soup, spicy, some jang, what is it called? Korean pancake, some raw crab, kimchi, potato salad, other stuff. Goodness, everywhere. Okay, that's the end. We finished eating. This is the place we went to. What's the name?
가마솥에 양푼이.
Kamasote Yangpuni. This is on TV, so you know, something special.
Yeah, two different what is it places? SBS and KBS. The main the main TV show.
Okay, it's raining, so we gotta go. All right, peace out.